Okay, so in the previous chapter of Black Clover, that is chapter 302, we saw Luck and Nozel back in action and Gaja returning from the dead. Of course, because of Real's magic, Twilight of Valhalla, which, as we all know, makes its allies invincible for a few minutes. Although the creator of the spell is going to take some damage, and Real mentioning this must have some deeper meaning to it. He just literally gave us some hint that something might happen to him in the upcoming chapters, or else him mentioning that line and returning unscathed would mean would make no sense. Anyways, we will talk about that later. First, let's do the intro.
Back from the dead.
Okay, so we talked a little about what happened in the previous chapter, and as we all know, Nozel has arrived to provide support to his sister Noelle in defeating Megicula and avenge his mother. Nozel was furiously looking down on Megicula as if he had looked at some no, hold on. That's offensive. Poop. Yeah, poop. That's better. Okay. Nozel says that how he longed for this exact moment. My man just endured this pain for like 16 to 17 years, and now he can take revenge for what Megicula has did to his family. It's obvious that chapter 303 is going to be Nozel versus Megicula, and he's totally planning to go all out. But what I am about to say might trigger a few of you people, and I am really sorry, Nozel fans, but it's just me saying what I feel might happen. And if it happens, it will be for the greater good. I honestly think no matter how much Nozel has improved in his magic, it just won't be sufficient enough to take down Megicula. The reason number one, that is, I feel like Nozel and Noel's relationship has to improve more. It's true that Nozel really loves Noel, his dear sister, but the spiciness in the relationship is just not there. Don't you all agree? So once Nozel could be seen in a problem or in a situation where he needs someone's help, Noel would arrive and help in taking down Megicula. The second reason being, Megicula isn't totally manifested in this world. So if one of the strongest villains gets defeated without letting it use its true potential, it literally would be an insult to the one or the ones who defeat her. Their training would mean nothing then. And if Nozel isn't strong enough to defeat her, his perfect companion would be Noel, as they would both get to avenge her mother together. And the third and final most reason is, as you all know, he doesn't want other people to meddle in his personal matter. Yes, I am talking about Nozel. May it be his sister or anyone else. He just fails to realize that what he thinks is not other people's concern, it actually is. I mean, Noel avenging her mother. Yes, her mother. Isn't it a matter which she has right to interfere? Nozel saying sorry to his sister is okay, but I feel like his personality and his character still needs some polish. And even though I said it was the final point, there is actually something far better than those three previous points. That is, yeah, they both need to avenge their mother. I mean, come on. I know Noel was a baby when she lost Asia, but her being in the some same place as Nozel, meeting the one who brought doom to Asia's life, and her doing nothing is just not right. It would be cruel if Nozel gets to defeat Megicula and Noel watching all of this happening right in front of her. I mean, bruh, over our man Tabata isn't that cruel. So Nozel has to ask for backup from Noel while fighting Megicula. Okay, so now about the point we were talking previously. Yes, the matter of Real saying he would receive all the damage after the effects of Twilight of Valhalla disappears. So Tabata clearly foreshadowed that something's gonna happen to Real. Maybe Megicula realizes while fighting Nozel that he is able to land all those fatal blow to her because of Real's spell, and she might go after the roots, that is Real. And once Real is out of the picture, everyone's power is reduced to half, which would mean things are easier for Megicula. And guys, we might get to see Yami and Asta vibes from Nozel and Noel. Like Nozel says after fighting Megicula, without the Twilight of Valhalla's effect, that he can't win this without Noel. And Noel falling on the ground just like Asta was. As soon as Noel hears those words coming from Nozel, she gets an adrenaline rush just like Asta did and dash towards the side of her brother, helping in taking down the villain. Damn, it gives me goosebumps just of thinking about it. And real with taking all those damage, we might see Charmy coming to his side as the rest of the Black Bulls aren't far enough because luck has already come. So it's safe to assume that uh, the rest of the Black Bulls aren't far too. And Rill might confess his feelings to Charmy as he thinks that he has taken a lot of damage and won't be able to make it alive. So it's the best time to say about his feelings to Charmy. Oh guys, I can't wait for Black Clover chapter 303. Although it's in a break, I can tell that waiting for 1 week will be worth the chapter that's upcoming. Alright guys, now if you liked the video and want more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and like the video and help me grow. As I have just begun my journey as a YouTuber, your subscribing and liking means a lot to me. Alright guys, that's it for today's video and see you on the next one.